Make a great choice today with the 2015 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, braking assist, front stabilizer bar. Come take a test drive today.